Salut miteinander. Und herzlich willkommen bei The Walking Dead Episode 2. Yes, es geht weiter mit Lee, der Clementine, dem Kenny, wo wir da sind. Die Frau, die wir schon vergessen haben. Und ja, ohne lange drum rumschnurren, sage ich, fangen wir an. Und wahrscheinlich auch nicht die Sequenz, jetzt können wir schnurren. Das letzte Mal sind wir in dem Safehouse hinein, wo ich von... Ja. Sie sagen es selber.
I know who you are.
I got another good one for you.
You've been all by yourself through this?
Yeah, I want my parents to come home now.
And you keep an eye on that front door. You're our lookout.
It's Doug. You got it.
And I'm Carly.
Okay, Carly, you'll shift in with Doug when...
You got it, boss.
Son of a bitch. One of them is bitten.
We kick his ass.
That's what I'm thinking.
Oh, God.
And I don't give a shit about what happens to you. But if anything happens to my daughter or that little girl you've got with you, you watch your ass.
Hass den Fettsack, Mann! Hoffentlich darf ich ihn umlegen. Diese Spoilerei passt sich von der Entscheidung an. Ja. Spoilerei, Spielerei. Ja, ist ja logisch. Damn, da sind wir voll in Action im Wald drin. Schon der erste gekillt hier. Jetzt hast du sogar schwarze Jacke an. Klima, es ist Herbst, wie bei uns. Perfekt.
Damn. What'd they get this time?
Looks like a rabbit.
Well, that's another meal lost. I still can't believe we went through all that commissary food in 3 months. It seemed like so much at the time.
Maybe you shouldn't have opened the door.
Yeah, except then I'd probably be food by now. Trust me, I have no regrets.
Rabbit's hardly a meal, Mark, but I'd take it. We're all hungry.
No kidding. When I accidentally grabbed for Carly's rations the other night, I thought she was gonna take off my hand.
We're all on edge. Just cut us some slack.
Yeah, you're right. I wish I knew for sure how much food we have left.
Die Frauen müssen nicht genug. Wir schaffen das.
Maybe. You know, some people aren't too happy about the way Lily's handling rations.
Lily knows it's important to keep the adults fed and functioning. Sometimes that means someone's gotta miss a meal.
You think Kenny's having any more luck than we are out here?
I sure hope so.
Yeah, between the lack of food and Kenny and Lily fighting all the time, things are getting pretty tense back at the motor inn. You know, Kenny's been talking about taking off if he can get that RV running.
Kenny will uns nicht verlassen, hat eine Familie verlassen. Ohne uns ist der Beste. Ja.
He's got a wife and son to look out for.
And they're safest in a big group. Going out on his own will get them all killed. Can't blame him, though. Did you hear Larry going off on him last night? What's the old guy's deal, anyway? Seems like he's got a problem with you in particular.
Hält nicht für einen alter rassistischer Arsch. Ja,
Just
sicher.
an old racist asshole. That's his deal.
Well, he needs to get over that and start finding a way to pull his weight. Hard problems or not, we should all be out here trying to find food. And I know Lily thinks he's getting weaker, but the guy's all muscle. He's a walking pile driver. I know I wouldn't want to be stuck in a room with him. And didn't he punch you in the face one time?
Knock me flat.
Der Motherfucker. Wenn wir irgendjemanden zurücklassen, der erste, der zurücklassen, der Fettsack, ja. Egal wie stark das er ist. Darfst keinen Lärm machen, teste diesen Schuss, schieß.
Take this shot. We need anything we can get at this point.
Shit, was that Kenny?
I don't know. Come on.
Oh, 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 oh.
Jesus Christ.
Oh shit! No, no! Please don't kill us! We just want to help our teacher. We'll leave, I swear!
Lee, you guys okay?
Get it off! Get it off! God damn it! Get it off me! Travis, maybe they can help.
These might be the same guys that raided our camp, and we barely got away from that.
What guys?
Why the fuck
Wir
is there a
werden die nicht
bear trap
töten.
out here?
Was ist
What the
passiert?
hell happened?
Mr. Parker said we should stay off the streets. We were trying to be careful, but
Lee, this is fucked up. You've gotta help.
please,
Ben, shut up! My dad was Special Forces. I know what I'm doing.
just see if you can get him out. After that, you can leave us or whatever. I don't care. Please.
Nicht uns probieren, versuchen es, ja, versuchen es
Gotta
mal.
get him out of there.
Oh God, thank you.
Fine, but you gotta hurry.
Hurry, please, hurry.
Lee, this trap's been altered. There's no release latch.
Oh no.
Woohoo!
Walkers! It's now or never, Lee.
Please, get me out of this.
Mark, get the boys back. Kenny.
Ja,
keep
hacken
those
doch den
walkers
Fuß
off
an.
me.
Ja, da muss ich hacken.
Lee, do something!
I have to cut you out.
No. Try the trap again. Anything, please. Try to get the chain.
Ist ruhig! Ah! Komm!
Let's go!
Ah! Komm! Ah, Mann! Hacken wir den Shit abeinander! Ah!
Shit. Is he?
He passed out.
If he's alive, grab him and let's go.
Ah! Shit, man! Woohoo! Nehmen wir den weg!
Behind you!
Travis!
Come on, we gotta move!
Ja, renn doch! Oh mein Gott! Oh meine Güte! Ah, bah, voll wahr. Oh. Das Gefühl kommt schon, weißt du, wenn so etwas durchhacken, das grusige Gefühl. Das ist, wenn er einem etwas erzählt, wenn er sich irgendwie so den Arm gebrochen oder so. Und so ah. Ja. Okay, das ist der Wichser. Hasst er sich!